Good afternoon, students. I'm Mrs. Hill. I'm your social studies teacher. I'm suffering from a very bad cold flu situation right now, so this is not normally how I sound, but welcome to 8th grade U.S. history. I'm so glad that you're here, and the new people and the ones who are coming back, I'm so glad you're going to be back. We're going to have a great year. So I just kind of wanted to give you a how to find some things in your course and what you can kind of expect for the semester. So always, when you log in, I'm viewing as a student, so you can see this is what my screensaver looks like. So you'll just click over here to classes. When you click on classes, you'll find American history, and you will click it open, and there I am. Okay, so this is everything you need to know. This is the plan, this is the content, this is the progress, this is grades, tools you won't really use, feedback you won't use, and help and more. Okay, so, and this is my email address and my telephone number. So if you look here, you can see the plan. So when you see the plan, this is the class plan, and this is kind of what you can expect. This week is a review, and then January 12th, you will take your first biweekly TFAR. TFAR is a quiz. You have one opportunity to take it. And then we'll do some more review on the 12th, and then we will do a semester review quiz on the 12th, okay? So that's what you're going to kind of look for, but this is your whole plan of what you can expect. So what we're going to talk about this semester are Manifest Destiny, the Industrial Revolution, the Civil War, Andrew Jackson's presidency, and Reconstruction. I think I've covered them all. So that's what we're going to be discussing. We'll be doing Nearpods, and we'll be doing play games. We'll do that kind of stuff. Excuse me. Again. So, and where do you find your first assignment? Well, you can go to, let's look at the calendar first. So if I click on plan, this is everything that is happening for the month of January into that first week of February. Okay. So this is what you're doing. Okay. When you click on this, it's going to tell you what it is. And let's see what happens when we click more. Oh my goodness, it took me right to it. So you're going to watch the video and you're going to read the information, and that is your very first assignment. So I'm going to go back to plan or class home, sorry. Let's go back to class home. All right, let's say I forget how to do that. And I'm going to click content. And when I click content, you can see the course schedule right here. And the course schedule is right there. There's no event schedule today or tomorrow. But on Monday, January 9th, you're going to start with exploration and colonization review. Okay. This is what you're going to watch the video, and these are your notes. Okay. So always, I would recommend that you download the notes. Okay. Again, American Revolution notes, Constitution notes and review. Okay, so this is everything you need for your computer graded assignment. Okay, excuse me. All right, then you have your table of contents. These are your resources. You click resources, that takes you to the syllabus, the grading structure, and integrity and appropriate content. Then let's go back to table of contents. Then the semester one review, everything I just showed you is right here. We just talked about that. So that's how you find your first assignment. You're going to go to content. You're going to go to table of contents, and you're going to start semester one review. Okay. You see that there are due dates in here. It'll open on it's due on January 12th. Okay. And then again, we have plan, where you can go to your plan and click on the link, the calendar, and then just click more, and it's going to take you right to it. It's a handy dandy tool. Okay, excuse me. Anyway, I just want to welcome you to class, how you can find your first assignment. We're going to do orientation again, and that's really it. I'm looking forward to a great semester, and I will see you hopefully sounding better tomorrow and on Friday. Y'all have a good day.